Hey guys, a lot of you have been asking me to show you how to set up a hip thrust using a barbell and using just small plates. I'm going to show you a few different ways to use it, but one thing that you're going to want to have is a pad for your hips so the bar doesn't hurt your hips. If you don't have one of these, you can easily just use a mat, and all you're going to do is just fold it over a couple of times, and then you're going to place this on your hips. So if you only have small plates and you can't roll the bar over your hips, you'll just sit in here, and then you'll have to have it rocked low enough so that you can press up and then bring it over. And then you'll thrust here. Just like that, and then you can rock it back. So then, if you don't have, you gotta crawl out. If you have bigger plates you can use, a much better way to do it, or it's gonna just take you less time to set up, is to just go ahead. I'm just gonna throw these plates on top. And then you'll just make sure, you're gonna wanna make sure you're centered in the bar. Okay, if you're not centered, then you're gonna lift up the weight unevenly and you can get injured. So you'll just roll this bar over. Again, making sure you're centered. Get your back nice and close. Bring your feet in. And then you'll just come up. Get adjusted if you need to. Then go ahead and thrust up. Then when you're done, you're gonna lower down, just like that, and then roll off. Now, if you don't have a barbell and you don't have a plate, I'm gonna show you what you need to do. If your gym doesn't have a barbell and it just has straight bars, it can have a curve in the bar, or it can just be a completely straight bar. What you'll do is you'll fold your mat up on your hips. You're gonna sit down on the ground, and then you'll actually just kind of lower this, very controlled, get it nice and centered, get those feet in, and then again, go ahead and thrust like that. And if you don't have this, you can use dumbbells and just place the dumbbell on top of the mat. So I hope that helps. If you guys have any other questions, comment below.